Good day, folks. Welcome to Bright's Mind Academy, where we bring brilliance to every lesson. So, in today's video, we're gonna now look at the exam type of question that you might be assessed based on. I'm not saying this question will appear. I'm saying the questions that are gonna follow here that we're gonna answer are more or less the similar structure that you're gonna be assessed on when you write your June, your September. When you're in grade 12, your June, your September, as well as your final, you're going to be assessed on the same. But if you are doing grade 11, this will be your June as well as your November exam. But now that's not the case. The case is us taking this question. Now, let's read. We are told that the sketch below shows the graph of f of x. It is equal to 2 2 plus x divided by x minus 1. A and B and the A and B are the x and y intercepts of f respectively. So we know this is what A is the what respectively. A is the x intercept, then B is the y intercept. We know how to calculate x and y intercept most. So all right, then we see okay, these are my asymptotes. All right, this is my function, this is my function, then Bye. All right, now let's answer the first question. First, see this format here. This format, it is given in the format that is not of the standard format of what hyperbola. Okay? So the standard format of hyperbola, it is this one. So hence why now the examiner says to us, write down the equation of f in the form of f of x, it is equal to a divided by x plus p plus q. Remember, there is a video where I recorded and I showed you how to move from this to that. But it's fine. Please rewind to all the walkthrough videos before coming to tackling the questions, because all the ideas we get them from those videos. Now 4.1, let's answer 4.1 here. How do we move from this to that? Remember, I said just do this. F of x, it is equal to, I said, check your denominator. Your denominator, it is x minus 1 again. So whatever this value here it is, you want to make sure that value appears, the negative one appears at the top. So how are you going to do that? Just write this 2 plus x. Then do what? I said you minus 1, you add 1. It depends on the value here at the bottom. If your bottom was x minus 3, you were going to minus 3, add 3. If your bottom part was x plus 4, you were going to add 4 and minus 4. This is the analogy that I'm trying to explain here. All right, then if that's the case, what's going to happen? What's going to happen is that I want to group x and minus 1 so that it can be the same as the bottom part. I group x and minus 1 like this inside a bracket. Then whatever that is left on, or I leave it again. Then I'm left with what? With 2 plus 1. This part. 2 plus 1, and the 2 plus 1, it is how much? It is 3. All divided by what? By x minus 1. When I continue, remember I said I have this part. If I have a plus b divided by c, therefore how do I simplify this? It's going to be a divided by c plus b divided by c. So also here it is the same. I will apply that part. I'm going to say here it is what? X minus 1 as a single term divided by x minus 1 plus 3 divided by what? X minus 1. Then this one, you will write it as it is. You see the standard here. Now we have one part. So you will be left with this one, which is not difficult to do. I'm going to say, all right, this is 3 divided by x minus 1. This is positive, right? This is positive. We agree. So it's going to be plus. What is this divided by this? I know a divided by a, it is the same as 1. So any numbers that are the same divided by number divided by its number, man, it's the same, man. It is 1. So our answer here, it is now a f of x, it is equal to what? 3x minus 1 plus plus 1. When we have this standard, we can now find our what? Our equation of asymptotes. Again, I believe you are following. I believe you are following. If please do try to pause this video and do this. Maybe something like this. Yeah, try to simplify this on your own. On your own. I don't know what the answer will be. Let me try to see. Your final answer should be more or less something like this: plus 1 x plus 4. This your answer should be more or less like this, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see. Let me confirm. Plus 4 minus 4. Oh, all right. Oh, your answer here should be minus 7. Your final answer. Your final answer should be this for this equation here. All right, please try to do that on your own so that you can get used to it, so that when the examiner tries to tackle you with this kind of question, you will not be doomed. All right. Thank you very much. I believe you will do that. All right, let's erase this. I think this question, it is fairly straightforward. Fairly straightforward. Let's move to 4.2. 4.2 says determine the equation of the asymptote. Remember, we have done this question multiple times. Equation of asymptote. Do not confuse. Wait, what is accuse? Do not confuse equation of asymptote as well as axis of symmetry. Sorry, axis of symmetry. Equation of asymptotes. Remember, these are the asymptotes. Again, so remember, how do I find the equation of the asymptote? The first one, this is very straightforward. Y, it is equal to whatever this value here it is. It is 1, positive 1. And I said say and. Here you come to this part. Someone knows it, or the x is going to be equal to 1 here. Someone knows or x is going to be equal to 1. But here, if you do not know that, you can say and x minus 1, it is equal to 0. Therefore, x, it is equal to 1. This is your answer. 1 mark for this, 1 mark for this. This is not necessary. This is not necessary, but it's for you to see. It's for you to see. All right. Yes. All right. Easy 2 marks. Easy 2 marks. X, it is equal to 1. Y, it is equal to 1. Ish. I'm trying to do this here. Move it. Yeah. All right. Then the last question. This is a straightforward question. I was trying to warm you up before you go to serious questions. Write down the equation of A, the x-intercept of F. Equation of A, the coordinate of A. Again, coordinate. People normally get 1 out of 2 in this question. I'll show you why. Now, the coordinate of A, which is the x-intercept. I know for x-intercept, I let y equal to 0. Sorry. Then it's going to be 0. It is equal to what? I'm coming here to this part. You can also use this, but it's whichever that you use. Let me show you. You can use this or this, whichever that you use, you'll see. I'll do them. Let me do first one here. The second one I'll do on this side. Let me try and use this one. Use this one as number 1. I'll show you it is the same. 2 plus x divided by x minus 1. All right. Then over 1 here, I cross multiply. X minus 1 multiplied by 0, it is 0. Then 1 multiplied by 2 plus x, it is 2 plus x. Therefore, x, it is equal to what? When I take this 2 to the other side, it is negative 2. So here I have negative 2. Let's use another step to see. Let's use this one that we found to see if our answer is the same now. It's going to be 0. It is equal to 3 x minus 1 plus 1. I take this one to the other side, it is negative 1, it is equal to 3x minus 1. I multiply by negative 1 on this side, is going to be negative 1. Man. I multiply negative 1 by x minus 1. All right, it's going to be negative 1 into x minus 1. 1 multiplied by 3, it is 3. Then I divide by negative 1. I divide by negative 1 here. It's going to be what? X minus 1, it is equal to negative 3. Negative 3 here. Therefore, when I take this one to the other side, it's going to be negative 3 plus 1, which is what? Negative 2. So you can see the answers are the same. Yes. So yes, that's all I wanted to show you for today. X, it is equal to what? Oh, what I said is that Lina almost got 1 out of 2. Remember that people have found this is equal to negative 2. People just leave it as it is, as it is like this maybe. When you leave it like this, you won't get your full marks because now you have not answered the question. The question said, determine the coordinates. Write down the coordinates. Coordinates. So the coordinates of A is, we are going to say A, negative 2, it is our X. What was our Y? Our Y was 0. So your final answer should be A, negative 2 and 0. Your final mark, your first mark is substituting Y as 0, then this. So please answer the question in full context. All right, thank you very much, folks, for watching my video today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can be updated on the follow-up as well as the other videos that we're gonna post. Thank you very much, folks.